The Triumph Rocket 3 is not just a motorcycle. It is a mechanical giant built for riders who crave overwhelming torque, brutal acceleration, and unmatched road presence. From its massive stance to its muscular frame, the Rocket 3 looks like a beast ready to roar. The triple exhaust, the sculpted tank, and the aggressive LED lighting make it unforgettable. This is the largest production motorcycle engine in the world. A 2500cc triple delivering monstrous torque. One twist of the throttle sends a wave of power that feels unreal. Despite its size, the Rocket 3 launches like a rocket. The acceleration pins you back with a force that surprises even experienced riders. It is pure adrenaline on demand. Triumph crafted the Rocket 3 with premium materials, polished metals, and flawless fit and finish. It feels like a luxury muscle cruiser built with pride and precision. The seat is supportive, the ergonomics relaxed, and the suspension absorbs bumps with confidence. The Rocket 3 is shockingly comfortable for long-distance rides. It is not a cheap motorcycle, but every dollar goes into engineering excellence, performance, and design. The Rocket 3 is more than a purchase, it is an achievement. No cruiser from Harley Indian or BMW matches its raw power. The Rocket 3 stands alone, with unmatched displacement, torque, and acceleration. The 2026 Triumph Rocket 3 is insane, powerful, and breathtaking. A motorcycle that exists in its own league. When you ride it, you feel unstoppable. Keep dreaming, rider. Keep moving forward. Your goals are closer than you think. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I will see you on the next road ahead.